Hi guys, it's Kate and welcome back to another cleaning video. Miss me? I miss you guys too. Alright, excuse me. Alright, so the video that I put out yesterday was recent. This video is from last Tuesday. I recorded it on my brother iPhone 10XR if I'm not mistaken. It has really great quality. And it took me the longest to get his phone, not knowing the only thing I had to do was airdrop the video. I could have been put this video out. So I am in the kitchen cleaning and cooking. So right now I am unloading the dishwasher and putting the dishes up so I can go ahead and put the clean dishes in the dishwasher to rinse all that soap and stuff off. I still do like to hand wash all my dishes, and I like to put them in the dishwasher so they can rinse. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I noticed like it's never gonna be like a day that I go downstairs and it's not gonna be dishes in my sink. Yeah, like I'm going to always have dishes in the sink. Like now I have dishes in the sink and they trying to pile their little self up, but I'm about to get ready to make it downstairs so I could. I'm a Alright, so right here I am definitely taking a water break because yeah, I definitely need a lot of water. When I went to the doctor yesterday to my 17-week update, my doctor was like, make sure you drink a lot of water. Guys, I kid you not, like I try to drink a lot of water, but I noticed if I don't drink a lot of water like I should, then I will get weak. So yes, that's what that is in that glass cup. It's just a glass of water because once I first tapped on the video before I started editing, I was like, why does it look like I have wine in my glass? But yeah, it's definitely water and some I think it's borax. Pretty much pronounced like Clorox, but it started with B. So I think it is borax. And you can clean your kitchen with it. You can clean your bathroom with it. I'm gonna try to show you guys next time on the back what you could use. Yeah, what you could use it for, and I think you can like also do your laundry with it. So since we don't have Clorox, that's like my little backup because your girl, I always need Clorox in my house. Like I was just telling my fiance, babe, we need more Clorox. I need Clorox. Like I go crazy if I don't have Clorox. I need Clorox. Like I just can't live without Clorox. Are you guys the same way? Right, so I noticed when I stand up, I am losing a lot of breath. So I'm sorry if I'm talking way too fast, but that's because I have to catch my breath. But like right now, I'm kind of like just sitting down, relaxing. But I'm about to go get me a cup of water because I need that. I ate cereal, but I need my water. I was about to say something else. You guys dropped some music link. I use, I think it's non-copyright sounds, and I also use audio library. I think I need like some more musical selections, like. All right, so if you are new to my channel, I do have two little boys. This is Ethan right here. He is 2 years old. He just turned 2 on June 9th. And I have my oldest. His name is Raya, and he just turned 5 on June 20th. And I have a little one in the oven, and the baby will be here at the end of November, like November 30th, pretty much like towards the first week of December. So yeah, you'll definitely see them pop in and out the kitchen, or just pop in and out of my videos, because I am a stay-at-home mom and my babies are here with me every day, so you are gonna see them. And popsicles make them happy, as you can see. He came in for a popsicle. I am cutting up my onions. I'm about to get ready to be the chef in the kitchen. I'm about to get ready to cook me some dinner. Well, cook us some dinner. So this night I made some baked chicken, some cabbages, girl, some cornbread. And what else I made? And some candy yams. Girl, that food was so freaking delicious. Girl. My personality is really like this. Like, I am super silly. I be laughing at my own videos. All right, so I'm gonna stop all this talking because I noticed, like, in my other two videos, I haven't been doing all this talking. Like I said, I'm getting so comfortable with talking to you guys. Like, we got like a little bond going on. I'm loving that. But yeah, let me stop talking. Y'all probably getting tired of me talking about now. Y'all probably like, girl, shut up. But I'm gonna stop the chit chat, and I'm gonna definitely let you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys, I'm sorry, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and if you are new to my channel, like just new, go ahead and subscribe, girl. I was about to say something else. What else was I about to say? Yeah, because I definitely know you guys love my cleaning videos. So I need to know if you guys like to see the cooking videos also. I can cook. I really can cook. Check out my vlogs. Check out my vlogs. I can really cook. But yeah, just let me know if you like a mixture like this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. All right, one last thing. I promise. Just one last thing, and I'm gonna go. So let me know. And I'm saying a lot. I do have my pregnancy brain, Jesus. I noticed that as I edit. I was like, oh my God, you're saying way too much. But let me know if you guys like my music selection. I think I said this earlier. See, I don't even know if I'm repeating myself. But if I am repeating myself, I'm not going to finish because I really just felt like I just said it. But leave me in the comment section some music, like little, like drop the links. I need more music, okay? Because I don't want to give you guys the same music. I don't want you guys to get tired of this, same old music. So let me know some links that you guys go to and what kind of music you guys like listening to. I promise I'm gone now. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. So today is Tuesday and I am downstairs cooking. I just got finished with my clean my kitchen with me, or extreme clean, because this kitchen was really dirty, honey. And so now I am taking a water break because water is what keeps me up on my feet. I noticed. I thought it was coffee. It's pretty much both of it. So I'm downstairs cooking dinner, and I had already started my cabbages. You guys, look how good they look. Yum. And so now, we're having cabbages, baked barbecue chicken, candy yams, and cornbread. And so I pretty much got like the hard part out the way, which is the cabbages, because it doesn't take that long to cook, but I love mine soft. So I'm about to get this chicken out. Which is right here. And I have my candy yams. I'm so funny. And of course I like to save my bag. That's what I'm gonna do. And your girl is about to get to cooking, alright? And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before